Hello, welcome to three powerful tools that make you teach online perfectly. Let us move to the tips one by one. As you know, your cursor, there is a key role for the cursor in online teaching. While using the cursor, it should be big or it should be seen by the students very perfectly and clearly. In order to do that, you just click on the bottom of the screen, the white tab here. Right click here, you can see the taskbar settings. Click it on. You can see home on the left topmost corner. Click it. You can choose ease of access. Now right magnifier like that. Click on it. You can see cursor and pointer on the left of the screen side. On that, you can see, click on it. You can see the change pointer size. You can increase your pointer size from 1 to the size as per your requirement. It says 5. And you can also change the color so it will appear very neatly or very beautifully. So I'm changing my color to blue or anything it might be. So this is the way you can change the cursor size and color, and it will make you make your pointer very attractive and very clear. So that will make you pointed towards the screen or the object or the figure for your students very clearly. Then my second point is that just open a PowerPoint, and we are using the PowerPoint while teaching. We are using the slideshow button very few times very frequently. So during this screen, you can see the white screen here. You can write on the white screen as per any input device, using any input device, maybe a tab or something like that. So while using this tab, you can use a pen, maybe pen, and you can write something. Welcome to learn with RK YouTube channel. Something, anything you can write it here. So when you are writing something on a white screen, that will gain the students the idea what you are writing, and it will be very attractive. So try to use this white screen frequently or commonly. Then moving to the tools toolbar over here on the left bottom corner, you can also use here, and you can change the color of the pen or anything it might be. Yes, you can use black to white to any color as per you want. If you are presenting something on the screen, yeah, it is very common that students are very bored if you are repeatedly showing the same slide or number of slides many times. So it's very important that you have to keep their attention on the slides. So in order to do that, you can switch the screen into black. For that, you click on B. Just click the B button on your keyboard. Your entire screen switches off. You can write with your pen as what you wanted. Welcome to learn with RK YouTube channel. For that, you can use any input devices as we said. Also, if you want to clear the screen, click here and erase all ink on slides. That will erase all the inks. If you want this slideshow, you can switch again W. That will back to the screen again. So these are the tips that I want to tell you today, and that will make you teach online very perfectly and very smoothly and very confidently. Wish you all the best. Thank you.